Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Thursday, January 5th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we did have some technical issues in the room. It happens from time to time. I'm going to go through what we did here, and some people got most of the trades. Some people missed a trade or two, depending on what happened. But we did not have any losing trades today. We had actually this was could have been hit again. So from left to right here, we had a gold trade, which in all fairness, I'm not going to even count because I don't believe anybody got it. A couple people said they did. Wasn't sure if it was on sim, whatever the case. If it was paid, if they actually got executed or not. I don't, so I'm not going to count that. But we did have a power play here. It was at 1182.3, and that one did go up. 35 ticks or so. We had 2 trades in crude, 3 entries, but this one was the same trade. We had a power play long in crude at 53.76, and that one went up. You'll see that one went up for about 36 ticks or so, and that was a beautiful trade. The market came down. We had technical issues all on here, although we probably wouldn't have done much in here anyway right there because we had the crude news coming up that went sideways before the crude news. So we got short on our next available opportunity. Told everybody we had a little bit of a ZL down here, which might push this up temporarily along with the ES. We were actually waiting for the ES to come up to get a short. So I said, this is a little bit aggressive to get in down here. Better to wait for 46. Some people got short at 26, okay, added at 46, got out of break even, and then got back in at 26 again when it came back down for our target. Other people, I said, if you don't want to get in here, wait for it to come up where we would add, you would get in, take it as an RS. So some people were in from 46, some people were in from 26, and I told everybody 52.80 to 75 was the target area. That's exactly where it went. In fact, so far that's the low, and that was a beautiful trade. Again, we had some technical issues in here. The projection software was going in and out. Some people weren't, got booted out. They weren't able to reconnect. So not everybody got all these trades. But we did not have any losers. We had 1, 2, 3 winning trades. I'm not going to count this one. This one we had to get out of, this ES, because it was the news. And I'll go over that in a second. So 2 nice ones in crude. And then we got long in the ES. I told everybody if you don't want to, we really want to be risk-free before the news. That's our standard policy. We were not able to get risk-free. We were only up a couple ticks. I told everybody just get out of the trade. The news came out. Market came down, came back up. I said if you want to get in again, some people hit it again here, got a point. And then it didn't follow through. So it'd be either a point or a break even on that one. This one was a tick or 2 profit because we had to bail before the news. Per our standard practice. And then we got short on an RS. I was trying to get short around here, but again, this is the same time we were in the crude. Okay, so I wanted to wait a little bit, and we were still in the crude almost at this point, but nobody was, a lot of people were out already because not everybody can stay in the trade for 40 ticks. But 40 or 80, 60 ticks actually from some people. But here we got short on an RS. Didn't get the greatest price again because this was right when we were trying to get back in the room and everything. Not everybody was back. 850 we got short. 8.25 for some people, took it down to 56. And by the way, I told everybody about these 2 targets, but when I lost my screens and everything, I had to redraw everything. These 2 targets I told everybody about way up here when it started coming down. And that's what we were really looking for. In fact, I said when this was down here in this red candle, I said, I hope it doesn't get down to 56 because then we can play for the 56 and sell it up higher, which is what we did. 850, got 2.5 points, and then 4.25 was my 450 was my my last one, 450 to 5. So up to 3.5 points on that one. So we're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, traders, have a great day.